In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Valorant is not showing but running in the background. The best way to do this is open up Task Manager. From in here, you want to find Details. In here, look for any Valorant related, so press V. Close down anything Valorant related, so Vanguard, Valorant, Riot Games if you press R. Make sure you end the task on all of those. Once you've done that, you want to find Valorant right here, right click, Properties, Compatibility, and you want to activate these two. Press apply and OK, and then it should now work. Now keep in mind, once you've closed down Vanguard, when you open Valorant, you should have a little kind of update, or it might just reopen Vanguard on its own. If it doesn't work, restart your PC so it opens Vanguard. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.